Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to fix Excel formula not updating automatically. So how do we fix this? Guys, go to the Formulas tab right over here in your Excel, click Calculation Options right over here, and if for some reason you've had it set to manual, set to automatic. Then how do we fix cell formatted as text? So just select the cell that where the formula isn't updating. Right, then you go to the Home tab. In the Number section drop-down, change the format from text to general. Also guys, if you want to resolve circular reference dependencies, look at the status bar at the very bottom of your Excel window. If it says circular references, it will list the problematic cell. You go to Formulas, then you choose error checking here, and choose circular references right here. So these are the fixes, guys. Enjoy.